All right, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Cash. I am with Grow Laredo, and you can visit us online at growlaredo.com. Got a couple links in the bottom that you should check out if you're looking for an all-in-one platform for your digital marketing, SEO, email marketing, web builder, scheduler, you name it, it's all included in the link below. That is, of course, for Builderall. Today, though, going to be talking about a little hack for anybody that is trying to step their SEO game up. What is SEO? Well, it is search engine optimization, right? Optimizing our websites so that they perform faster. With Google always constantly changing its algorithm, the one thing that does remain constant with the changes that come from Google are page speed, right? How fast does your website load? Is it loading the content as fast as possible? So I'm going to show you how to optimize your images. This is just an image. It's about a meg. But let's say you've got this image. It's 1 megabyte, and we want to condense it down to kilobytes, right? We want to get it as small as possible. This is what you should be doing for all your images across your website. The quick way to do that is to, again, come to File. We're going to hit Export. We're going to come over to Save for Web. What it's going to do is it's going to pop up another window. When you click over to optimize, you're actually going to see that it's already cut the file size down halfway to 500 kilobytes. You might say, well, that's pretty good. Well, what you can actually do is you can continue to come in and mess with the different settings here. If you're working with PNGs, obviously you don't want a background. You want to definitely make sure you stay within the PNG realm. If it's a JPEG, for example, this is a full-fledged photo, that might be okay. But let's see what happens when we go down to our low, our quality, and we take it down to 10. You're going to see that this image has already been drastically cut about 90%. Another way to do this is, let's say, for example, you are not happy with, or you don't need this size of a file or this size of an image. What you can do is you can come down here and cut your image size in half. So let's say, for example, we want to cut this in half. 800 by 800 pixels, actually pretty large. We'll cut it down, hit enter. Let's cut our file size down, but look at the size of this photo. It's gone from a megabyte to 77 kilobytes. Let's go down here. Let's go again. Let's repeat the process. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it down. So now we have cut it down to 156. That is the same size, right? So what we're going to do is then now we'll just save it as Crypto 2 real quick. Here is the original. 1.6 megs, right? And now let's go to our optimized. It's going to be our Crypto 2, and we'll see that we're at 161 kilobytes. So we're going to open that up. Boom. So this is the original, and this is our newly optimized photo. So quick little hack for SEO on your website. Appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget, of course, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.